Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Woodworking has always been more than a hobby. For many, it begins as a simple skill, cutting, sanding, assembling, but over time it becomes something far more powerful. It becomes an opportunity to create value, to solve everyday problems with beautiful design, and most importantly, to build a steady income from your own hands. In today's world, where people appreciate authenticity, natural materials, and handmade quality, woodcraft projects are not just decorative items. They are marketable products with real demand. The beauty of woodcraft lies in its accessibility. You do not need a massive factory, complex machinery, or years of formal training to begin. With basic tools, consistent practice, and thoughtful design, you can create pieces that customers are willing to pay for, sometimes even at premium prices. The key is not complexity. The key is smart design, clean finishing, and understanding what the market truly wants. In this video, we will explore woodcraft projects that transform simple skills into steady income streams. We will look at practical ideas, why they sell, and how you can position them to attract buyers consistently. Let us begin with one of the most reliable categories: small functional home items. Items like floating shelves, key holders, wooden trays, phone stands, and wall organizers may appear simple, but they solve everyday problems. Customers love products that make their spaces more organized while adding warmth and character. A well-finished floating shelf, for example, requires straightforward cuts and strong mounting support. Yet when styled properly and photographed well, it becomes a modern decor piece that homeowners gladly purchase. Next, consider wooden coffee tables and side tables with minimalist designs. Clean lines, natural wood grain, and sturdy construction are what modern buyers look for. You do not need complex carvings or advanced joinery techniques to create a product that sells. Straight legs, smooth surfaces, and high-quality finishing can transform basic woodworking into a premium product. When positioned as contemporary lifestyle furniture, these tables can bring consistent orders, especially in urban markets where people value simplicity and craftsmanship. Another strong income category is customized wooden decor. Personalized name signs, engraved wall art, or custom wooden clocks attract buyers who want meaningful gifts. The skill required remains relatively basic: accurate cutting, smooth sanding, and finishing, but the emotional value increases the product's price significantly. Customization adds uniqueness, and uniqueness allows you to charge more. Wooden kitchen accessories also provide steady income opportunities. Cutting boards, spice racks, utensil holders, and serving boards are constantly in demand. These products combine beauty with functionality. A well-crafted cutting board made from durable hardwood can be both practical and elegant. When you focus on food-safe finishes and attractive wood patterns, customers perceive it as both a tool and a decorative element. Outdoor wooden products are another promising direction. Simple garden planters, wooden benches, and outdoor stools can be created with standard carpentry skills. Durability and weather resistance become your main focus. By choosing appropriate finishes and strong joinery, you create items that customers trust for long-term use. These products often attract repeat buyers, especially during seasonal home improvement periods. Now let us talk about children's wooden toys and educational items. Simple stacking toys, wooden puzzles, and learning boards require precision, but not extreme complexity. Parents appreciate safe, natural alternatives to plastic toys. If you use smooth finishing and non-toxic coatings, you create a product that appeals strongly to families seeking quality and sustainability. These projects turn careful craftsmanship into a reliable niche market. Another income-generating idea lies in wooden storage solutions. Shoe racks, storage boxes, and modular shelving systems help customers maximize space. With urban living spaces becoming smaller, practical storage solutions are highly valued. Even basic box construction techniques can produce professional-looking storage units when paired with thoughtful design and clean finishing. Decorative lighting elements are also profitable. Wooden lamp bases, wall-mounted light frames, or geometric light holders blend craftsmanship with interior design trends. These pieces do not require complicated construction, yet they add strong aesthetic value. When marketed with warm lighting photos and modern settings, they attract buyers looking for stylish home upgrades. One powerful strategy for steady income is creating themed collections rather than individual items. For example, instead of selling only one floating shelf, you create a coordinated set: shelf, key holder, small wall cabinet, and matching side table. When customers see a complete collection, they are more likely to purchase multiple items at once. This increases your average sale value and builds brand recognition. Finishing quality plays a major role in transforming simple skills into professional income. Sanding carefully, applying smooth protective coatings, and paying attention to detail elevate even basic projects. Customers often judge quality by touch and appearance. A smooth surface, aligned edges, and durable finish build trust and justify higher pricing. Pricing strategy is equally important. Do not undervalue your work simply because the design seems simple. What matters is the solution you provide and the craftsmanship you deliver. When you calculate material costs, labor time, and desired profit margin properly, you ensure that your woodcraft becomes sustainable income rather than temporary side earnings. Marketing presentation also determines success. High-quality photos, clean backgrounds, and lifestyle staging significantly increase product appeal. A wooden tray photographed on a beautifully arranged dining table will sell more easily than one shown on a workshop floor. Customers imagine how your product fits into their lives, and presentation helps them visualize that experience. Another factor that turns simple skills into steady income is consistency. Instead of creating random designs each week, focus on mastering a few profitable models and refining them. Repetition increases efficiency, reduces mistakes, and speeds up production time. As your process becomes smoother, your profit margin improves. Sustainability can also become part of your brand identity. Woodcraft projects have the power to turn simple skills into steady income because they connect practicality with creativity. Every shelf you build, every table you finish, and every decorative piece you design carries both function and value. The market appreciates handmade authenticity, and with thoughtful design and disciplined execution, you can transform your passion into reliable earnings. Remember, success in woodworking is not about complexity. It is about consistency, quality, and understanding your customers. Start small, refine your techniques, improve your presentation, and gradually expand your offerings. Step by step, your skills grow, your confidence increases, and your income stabilizes. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.